Welcome to the final part of this little series. Today I am going to be using the Baewatch set. If you missed my other videos, I'll have them linked in the cards, as well as the video where I previewed the whole collection. But today I went a little heavy on blush and my brows because I am going to be doing something a little bit dark with some pops of color in this set. Don't forget to like this video if you like the individual videos on all of these sets. Also, don't forget to comment down below which eyeliner out of each set is your favorite out of all of the videos. And if you really want me to, I can make a special video dedicated to one of the colors in each set. And let's get on into this. So I already primed my eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, but I'm going to be using the Linda Hallberg, the Deep palette, and I'm going to be taking the black shade called Fornax and putting this mostly on my lid and blending it out with Lightyear. So I'm gonna start with a Lightyear just above my crease here. I don't want it to be too warm, but I want something to help blend out the black. Now taking Fornax, the black shade. I haven't used this one all over my lid, but I do have the Fenty Beauty primer on, so hopefully it's a little bit stickier. Normally I'll do a black eyeliner as a base for black eyeshadow, but I didn't want too much product on my eyelid, so I thought that the Fenty eyeshadow primer would be a good choice in kind of helping with the black. So I'm gonna take a mixture of Lightyear and Fornax and blending out the edges. For a black, I think this is blending pretty dang well. I haven't really used the black in this palette like this, and I'm pretty impressed. And then going back in with Fornax and touching up where I have blended over the black a little bit too much. But now let's get into these eyeliners. So I am first going to be taking Tecno Beet, which is the pink. For Tecno Beet, I'm going to be just flicking it out, kind of like devil horns. I think I'm gonna touch up this one a little bit, make it a little bit thicker. Now I'm really nervous to use the green in this because this green has been by far the most troublesome liner in this whole set for me personally. This one is called Hollapeño. I shake it up really good and I'm gonna wipe off the edges. I don't know why this one is such a pain for me, but it doesn't want to work. I don't really know exactly what my plan is with this. Oh, yeah, it's gonna do it again. I don't know why this one is so difficult for me. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it starts to get really clumpy and dry, and it's the weirdest thing. I don't know why it does that, but this one was definitely the main reason why I didn't want to continue doing the look I was doing the other day with all of the green liners. Like, can you see how gross and textured that looked compared to the pink? Like, why does that do that? This is the only one. Like, I love this pink and I love the blue out of this set, but this green, man, I don't know what's wrong with it, but this is something that I don't think can be fixed. It's just, it like separates and gets clumpy. And the other day it was like changing colors, like some of it was lighter, some of it was darker. I was like, what the heck? And so I just had to take my makeup off because this was just not working for me whatsoever. Like, why is it doing that? Can you see that? What the heck? And I've tried using it with a different applicator, thinking maybe there's like, maybe it's drying too fast on the actual, like, yeah. So can you see what is happening on this liner tip? It's like clumping up, drying, and then it ruins the whole rest of the eye makeup, honestly. Like even like in the tube where I've had it open, it's just all gooped up on the sides. Like I'm literally just clumping it off. Look at that. That is not okay. So I just think this one just dries way too fast. The pink one is fine. The blue one is fine, but that green one, like there's really something wrong with jalapeno. For me, I don't know about anybody else. And then I'm gonna take Hot Tub Club, try and fix the edges of the green. So I'm gonna start off on the inner corner. Yeah, this green, like look how cracked it's getting. This is by far the worst one that I feel is almost to the point of being unfixable. And then I'm gonna be super careful. This green makes me so angry. Look, y'all, can you see this? Please tell me that you do. Like, I feel like the green is even messing up the blue, because like where I didn't overlap the blue with the green, like I feel like this would look so cool, but because this green is just so goopy, it's just like, why is it so goopy? I don't know. Whatever. I'm just gonna stop right here with it. I love the blue and I love the pink, but this green, like, it's to the point where it's literally, like, unless you're gonna do tiny detail work where you're just adding like a dot or something, it's just, there's no saving this at all. Like, I've tried this green 2 other ways and this is my 3rd. I'm not happy with it, but I'm gonna be doing my mascara and then we're gonna pick a lipstick out. So I ended up doing mascara and also putting the Bahamas color from the Riviera palette under my lash line. It matches this pink tecno beet so much, but I figured I'm gonna match my headband and I'm gonna take the Poutsicle in the shade Sun Snatched, which is my favorite one so far. Ooh, okay, matching my headband. But final thoughts. So definitely this is probably the most frustrating set that I've had, just because this green, it not only cracks, but it dries too fast, it goops up, it gets patchy in a different way. Like, it's not a patchy way as in like it's too liquidy and it causes the brush strokes. It's patchy as in some parts don't have enough color and some parts cling to a lot of color and kind of dry in a really textured way that makes it look patchy. But I do like the pink and I do like the blue out of this set. So I am gonna try and make this work as much as I can, even if I have to do stuff like this where it's not as noticeable, because when you're back here, like, if I would have done the whole tutorial back here, I feel like you guys would have never known that this is just horrible quality and cracked. Like, I feel like it's really hard to tell when you're back here not really seeing what's going on, but when you're close up and zoomed in, you can really see like all of the cracking, it being goopy, not working out the best. So this one is probably the hardest one that I'm gonna have to try and get past. Compared to the other sets, they are nothing like this. They just have the problem with the cracking and being conscious of not getting too much product at a time. So I feel like that's where I'm standing on this one, but let me know which one is your favorite. I'm super happy I got to use my orange lipstick. I love orange lipstick. I'm just feeling super 80s. I just need to like get my hair up more. I have like modern day 80s look. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.